You should notice an option for pixels per unit, which may be set to 100 by default. Change that to 50. Don't forget to click Apply in the bottom right, and you should find that both squares now immediately change to become the same size as the squares on the grid, as in figure 3-19. Remember, when we made these sprites, we made them 50 by 50 pixels. By making it so that 1 unit equals 50 pixels, we now have perfectly sized squares. Figure 3-19. Make sure to set your pixels per unit for every new sprite. Another useful trick we can use now is to snap our sprites into place. While dragging a sprite, hold Ctrl and you will find that it jumps from point to point rather than moving smoothly. You can change how far apart those points are by choosing Edit Snap Settings. You'll find that this is probably set to 1 for the X and Y axes respectively. If it isn't, change it so that it is. See Figure 3-20. 56. Figure 3-20. Snap Settings. Close that dialog and free move one of your squares so that it is positioned exactly within the bounds of one of the grid squares. Now press Ctrl+C, copy, and then Ctrl+V, paste. This will duplicate your square game object to create an exact copy in the exact same place. Hold down Ctrl and drag your square to the right. It should move exactly 1 tile's width to sit flush next to your previous tile. You can also copy and paste game objects by right-clicking and selecting Copy from the hierarchy view. Do this a few times and you can create stairs and other structures. This might feel pretty unexciting at this point, but it's actually a very important skill. When creating levels in games, it's really important that all your tiles are perfectly positioned right next to each other and that they don't have tiny pixel-wide gaps between them. Why not try using a slightly more elaborate sprite and making something that looks like the basics of a level? I've made some grassy steps in Figure 3-21. 57. Figure 3-21. We'll learn